Hello guys, recently a friend of mine upgraded his hard drive to a solid state drive, and upon trying to install Windows, he could not get the SSD detected. Everything he tried, it would not locate his solid state drive. So I told him to send it my way and we see what we could do. Of course, the first thing I tried, I took out the solid state drive, I plugged it in externally, and I verified that it indeed did recognize it on a external adapter. So once I verified that, I knew it was working. I went ahead and restarted the laptop, plugged the solid state drive again, and jumped into the BIOS. So I went into the storage component of the BIOS, and inside the BIOS, I located it had been disabled for some reason. And this happens with some models where once you put in a new hard drive or solid state drive, it for some reason automatically disables it. So that was an easy fix. All I had to do was change the mode to SATA NVMe, apply the changes, and go ahead and restart the laptop. And once I did that, I booted into the Windows installation USB, and that way I was able to have the solid state drive detected. But I decided I'd make a quick video just to show you guys some of the steps I took. I'll post some links for the external adapter below as well. Always handy to have one of these so you can test, make sure it is working on another computer. And once we had that out of the way, it was an easy fix. I will say some M2 drives do have an issue with the drivers, or you have to use another driver. If that's your issue and you can't get it detected because of that, I will make another video and post the link below in the description. But yeah, that was it. You always go ahead and erase all the partitions and have Windows create them brand new for me. Hit next, install it, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.